Big one for you. Put some juicy sauce on there. Yeah. It's sweet. Ugh. Come on out, little one. I won't bite. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. 3. Diversity. Miss Diversity. Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at ya. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't a part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all, for some more seafood. Actually, seafood and wings from the Juicy Crab. Ooh. I don't know why I've been craving seafood a lot lately. It seems like I get on a fix sometimes and I just have to keep eating, and then I get sick of it and I go on to something else. And if y'all do that, I think I do that a lot. Maybe it's the compulsive side. I don't know. I just like it tastes so good. I gotta keep eating it until I get sick of it, and then I'm going to something else. Anyway, so today I have the Juicy Crab special. Today it came with a snow crab cluster. I was trying to get blue crabs, but they wouldn't let me substitute. Some potatoes, some shrimp, some green lip mussel, green mussels. I've never had green mussels before, or green lip mussels, so I'm excited to try that. And a corn. I also got some, oh, this thing get hot. I also got some lemon pepper wings. I think this plate is kind of hot. From them too, because I wanted that too. All right, y'all. I'm gonna dump this. Let me take this off. I'm gonna dump this. Let's get the baby out the bag. So is green mussels and green lip mussels the same? I'm gonna have to look that up. I'm gonna ring that. Let's do the iconic dump. And it's all extra spicy, y'all. Y'all know it is. Can we do this without making a mess? When I went to Juicy Crab last time, that guy did it so perfectly. Come on, dump, baby, dump. Y'all, I don't know if I'm doing that perfect or not. Oh, but it's all out. Ah! Ooh, that's a big old cluster. I'll put him aside him. Y'all, look at that. Ooh, it looks good. And I'm sizzling, baby. I got the hot plate again, y'all. Ooh, check it out, y'all. Oh, yeah, baby. Get in my belly. I'm so silly, y'all. Let's see if it's extra spicy. Oh, they put some heat on it this time. Let me see once I start eating it. How spicy it'll be. You know, let's go ahead and give thanks, y'all, so we can get the grubber. All right, so today I'm sipping on some pink Moscato. Got some leftover pink Moscato. Suda Home. I think I say Suda Home. Just a regular glass. And also I got some water too, because I didn't know how spicy it was going to be. Because last time I had got hot, and it wasn't spicy enough, and they brought me some of the stuff that they make it spicier with. And then it tastes better. But I don't know if they put the same, you know, equation or more that I added to it. Excuse me. To make it spicier. I also got some water. Or did I already say that? Y'all. That one track mind is acting up. Anyway, I'll say it again. I got some water. This is good. I ain't salud. Yo, there's another storm coming through. So if you hear some sonic booms in the background, that's what it is. I'm in Florida. It keeps raining and raining and raining and raining. So this special was $21.99 for all of this, for the snow crabs, potatoes, the corn, the mussels, shrimp, and I think that's it. Yeah, it was $21.99 for this special, and then I added extra wings. Y'all, this receipt has like Japanese and English written on it. You can tell. See that restaurant that's now the Juicy Crab? near me, it used to be Shogun's, a Japanese restaurant. Look, the receipt is in Japanese. Yeah, I'm talking too much. I need to get to eating, huh? Shut up and eat, Keisha. Hold this. Bring this back a little bit. Whew. That's good. Dang, y'all, I'm looking. I forgot to hook that mic up. I want to hook the mic up so it'll be louder because the video sound a little lower without my mic. So I want to hook the mic up and I didn't even hook it up. That's a shame, Keisha. I was so greedy, hungry to eat. Ooh. Here we go. First time. Oh, that's good. The sauce is good too. Oh god, that's real good. Maybe it's good they don't have that mic because I'm smacking. God. Ever since I had juicy crab, that first day with Sharika and Ryan and T from T Lee TV, aka Niece, my sissy, and Casey. When we went out and had that juicy crab, I didn't want some. I don't know why I'm behind just getting on it. I don't know. Should have. But I didn't. Oh, God. Yeah, that sauce so good. It is so good. I wish it was the head on shrimp. Because I like sucking the sauce out the head. Y'all, that sauce so red. I wonder if some cayenne and paprika. But you know, you eat with your eyes as well. So when you see something all red and nice looking, it makes it taste better. It makes the crab redder, shrimp look pinker. So your mind tells you that it tastes better. Yeah, I know. Trick that mind. This is spicy and good, y'all. You know, make some off camera. Because I want to eat and watch. I haven't gotten this habit. That's a bad habit. Eating and watching shows. Eat and watch the affair. The reason I say it's bad for you to eat and watch shows because you're not paying attention to what you're eating and you can eat more, overeat that way. Anyway, so I'm going to watch the affair. I've been watching it consistently now. And y'all always getting juicy like these crabs, y'all. Like this seafood is getting juicy, y'all. Noah is a pimp. We're about a year in to where our last was when I was eating chili cheese fries and watching that fair. That was hot. Temperature wise. Spicy wise too is good. Alright, so good. This is extra hot, the very hot. Lady said, you want it hot? I said, no, I want the extra hot. She was like, okay. She gave me a little smile too. Because you're Latina. I think she like it hot too. Although I really can't say that stereotype because my kid's dad don't like it hot. He's of the Latino brethren. Well, he liked it hot, but let me stop. Anyway, Noah. Hey, Mr. Pimp Noah. He moved to LA to be close to what Noah and what the hell is her name? The wife, whatever. They're divorced now anyway. Helen. Name is Helen. Noah and Helen are divorced now anyway. But he moved close to LA to be closer to her and the kids. And the new job he got at this new high school, it's predominantly white high school. It's in a white neighborhood. It's mixed high school, but they started accepting all these people who were like, all these kids that were doing bad. Anyway, so guess who the principal is? I can't think of her name right now, but the one in Love and Basketball. Why can't I think of her name? Anyway, her name is Janelle. Noah kissed Janelle into season 4. Y'all, oh my God. I'm sorry if I'm spoiling it for y'all. Them pepper ring. But Noah kissed Janelle. And she kissed him back. I'm like, Noah, a pimp. He cute and he ain't all that cute. Dipped in the juicy sauce. But dang, y'all, it is getting juicy. It's so messy, though. It is so messy. Why do we, as human stuff, like messy stuff? And even if we don't admit it, we secretly do. Secretly acquired. What about? Okay. That was my son saying something to me. We secretly be inquiring about it. Y'all, these mussels are good. But so Cole and what the hell is her name? Helen, Noah. God, what the hell is her name? Every time I get in front of y'all, I forget people's names. Cole's wife. We got a new wife named Lisa. But Cole's wife, God, Bailey. What was her name? I always forget. I hate that, don't y'all? Why should I get the girl name? We're gonna say Mrs. Bailey. You know, Cole and Mrs. Bailey was married. Mrs. Bailey cheated on Cole with Noah, who was married to Helen. When Noah and Helen went to their family's beach house for the summer, he met Mrs. Bailey. What is her name? I hate that. I'm not gonna stop and see. Hopefully I think of it. Anyway, so Mrs. Bailey ended up leaving Cole for Noah. And Noah leaving Helen, Mrs. Bailey. Keep in mind, Noah had 4 kids. And Mrs. Bailey, I can't think of her name. And Cole had a son, but they lost it. I'm catching y'all all up who know what the fear is about. Anyway, but they lost it. So, later down the road, Mrs. Bailey, I want to call her Amy, but it's not, found out she was pregnant. And she thought it was Noah, because obviously she was Noah. Unbeknownst to Noah, Mrs. Bailey had cheated on him. I know, cheated on him, right? When he cheated on him back with her ex-husband, Cole. Crazy, right? And the baby's really cold. That's just a little bit for y'all. That's the beginning. My man should finish it. I don't know. Let's see if we bang her. And then a lot went down and, you know, ended up going to jail. Something he didn't do. Actually, the other girls going to jail for something his ex-wife and present wife did, which involves Cole family. Let me get this cry out, y'all. But like I said, Noah moved to be closer to Helen, who she's divorced from, and run into this girl who plays love and basketball, which I can't think of her name either. Sorry. Y'all put it in the comments. But her name is Janelle in the show. You know, she's an iconic black actress, and I can't think of her name. She's been around long as like Holly Berry and all that. I forgot no scissors. Pop! They cheated me. You got the scissors, please? They cheated me. I'm not meeting that one. Come on, Juicy Crab, get it together. Thanks, Pop. And for all y'all wondering, my eye's feeling better as far as light-wise, but it still hurts. And this little, like a little blotch on the side, when I see like a blur, I think it's from the cut. I'm going to do it with the Town of Orange Park Construction Company because they don't want to slash my tires. And I just got my tires, y'all. And they confirmed that road. Which, it's a video of it, y'all. Let's Drive on the Sidewalk. It's a video of that road. In my videos. They know that road messed my car up, my tire up. It wouldn't that roll my tire. Just to be safe, I replaced all of them. Like, I didn't even ask for my doctor's bill. I just wanted them to pay for that one tire. It was on me to replace the rest. Just to be safe. But one was necessary. So now I'm waiting on the construction company to come back. For the Town of Orange Park, so I gotta call the construction company. Hope this ain't gotta get legal, y'all. Okay? Because then I will follow up with my... Whew. That was messy too, wasn't it? Oh, yeah. It's so good. I'm messing. Yo, I'm like shower. My back itch. This is so good. I want to send out a special congratulations to Steph and Taj for reaching 10,000 subscribers. I'm so proud of y'all. My wifeys. But I feel like a proud mother. It's inspirational right now. You ever run into someone that, or meet someone that you feel like you just click with? That's how I felt when I found their page. Like, dang, I just clicked. I'm not sure if they feel the same. Just kidding, y'all. I love y'all. Somebody digging. Soulless. Over here digging for stuff. Yeah, I'm just back here dipping in the blue cheese. Dipping in the juice sauce. This food's so good. I have to bite into this bone. Oh. Marrow good too. I suck the bone sometimes. Ooh, I love that they left this tip on. I like the tip. Who else like the tip? I like the tip. Turkey wing tip, chicken wing tip. They're good. I know I'm smacking y'all. I'm so sorry. You know who else has good lemon pepper wings? That Caribbean place I went to. They have some good lemon pepper wings. But I don't sell them anymore. Oh. They were good. Okay? Yo, I'm trying to stay into that camera more. I know I'll be looking at myself. It's a habit. Someone said, I think it was KCDC and KOOLAID. What's it? KCDC and KOOLAID. KCDC and KOOLAID. They were saying that you naturally look for eyes to look into. And so this really is not an eye, so you're looking into here. Well, that makes sense. If you look for eyes as a focal point, even animals, when they're trying to show like respect to dominancy, they will break eye contact. So maybe it's just a natural animal instinct. Look for eyes. They say the eyes are a window to the soul. Ooh, what my nose. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. That went straight up my nose. Too much spicy. Oh my God, I'm gonna stop. Oh, I think, oh, my nose tingling. Tingling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Oh, stop. Stop so I can eat. We about done anyway. Y'all know I keep my mukbangs ADHD friendly. So you can watch me go on and watch somebody else. I'm gonna eat garlic. Oh, there. Good. I'm eating some corn before I go there. Make sure I eat everything in front of y'all. So everybody likes something different. Bite of corn. Oh, hot. That's hot. This is good. I think I'm gonna put some lemon on the rest. Ooh, this is so good. Either that or I'm extra hungry one. One or the other. Oh my God. What's it? One more mussel, one more wing. I got more shrimp. It's a good deal because 2 people can share this. Honest. Add extra corn, that's it. 2 people can share this easily. So that's like what? $11 a person. Not bad at all. I almost got crafty crab. I almost tried that for the first time today. Ooh, what's biting me? So we went to get my tires. There was a crafty crab and a strip. Everything tastes so good. I know I need to stop eating. I don't want to. There goes Solis. I would say it's on cue, but it's not late at night. I feel like heat around my lips. I ain't doing enough crowd for y'all, huh? If I get a big one for you. Put some juicy sauce on there. Yeah. It's sweet. Ugh. Come on out, little one. I won't bite. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. God, it's so good. Hard to stop eating. Look, I don't ask myself for scissors. I ain't even use them. Whoopsie. Squeezing it out. Come out. Come out, come out. Come to mama. Yo, I'm so messy. I know I am. Especially with crab. Let me hydrate. Gotta work on my posture. Ooh, yeah. It's about time to end this show. One more dip. One more bite. I think it's so good. Okay, so listen. That okay. I think there was one more bite, didn't I? I still got mess. Y'all be so messy. I be looking at my videos. Kinda. Looking at my videos and I'm like, dang, man. You should take the time to look at your face. I be too busy stuffing my face. Oh, God. I'm sorry. It's good. Okay, I promise now. I'm done for real now. For now. Move that up. Move that up. I'm trying to finish showing. Anyway, thank you for joining us today. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe and become part of the tribe. Give us a big old like. Ooh, excuse me. Comment below and let us know that you're there. And stay tuned for more. Ooh, and don't forget to hit that post notification. Bing! So you'll be notified of any and every video that I release. Until next time, peace, love. Ooh, excuse me. Whew, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.